Right, I think we're recording. So, yeah. Welcome to I'm trying to vlog life. Proper amateur. I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. So yeah. So basically, it's a journey up to Farleigh Castle, World Vets. So I've got an old 96 and sorry, 95. So yeah. So I'm looking to bit of a journey up to it, a bit good for the old memory. Stick it on, say, get his channel going, and do some short clips on progress. Today we're at Weedon in Northampton, which is an old school track for an old school bike. So I've had the engine rebuilt. I've had the bike about 5-6 years now. So yeah, so it's test day today, and see how it goes. Catch you in a bit. So this is the old girl. Don't get me wrong, I'm no Doc Wob, but yeah, just want to get it race ready for Farleigh and see how it goes. But I've stuck a nose pipe on it, engine's been rebuilt, graphics, wheels, just got to stick some numbers on it for Farleigh. Yeah. See how it goes. Used to ride one of these when I was 16 years old. Shows you how old I am. 41 now. But yeah, good to see how RCs are. I've got my technician with me today, Mr. Fricker.
Morning.
So we're going to get her set up, check the jet in. I've got one of them striker carbs on there. So see how that goes. Right, get changed and get it going.
Hiya. Just kick driving, don't you? Yeah, don't go start. Well, one lap then 10, yeah?
Just that clutch.
That's about right, isn't it? Yeah. About coin. size on your main jet.
Cox in the corner's nice, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah, you look smooth on it.
That's smooth.
Looks good.
Pilot sounds about there, so you have to go up one size on the main jet.
Yeah.
To
cut the
You have to
laps.
fuck about with the pilot then when you do that.
Initially, I'd say, if you feel like it's one colour, go up on your main,
Yeah.
because that puts your
Yeah.
oil and petrol in, yeah?
Mm.
And then try it, and if it's too fluffy from top, right at the top, so if you break your power band into 3,
Yeah.
bottom, middle, top, then break them into 3, so you're in the top bit, so you've got the bottom of the top bit, the middle of the top bit, and the top of the top bit. If it's, yeah? So forget the first 2/3,
Yeah.
you're in there, and then it's a bit fluffy right near the top.
It feels like now. The
The
jet's
main-
good now, and I'm running out of gear.
Oh right, so it's about there.
So I might need to change the gearing on the back. Because before I went up, I think I went up again to shorten it. So if I go back, I'm trying to sprocket. See that level out, just level out just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a bit too short, runs out a bit too quick.
Okay.
Right, don't forget, part you've been riding has only got 4 gears.
I know.
That's why it was cheaper. So just check your main